Welcome back to Prescribed Adventures, cruisers. And today we are on Star of the Seas and we are in a Surfside Family Suite. And we're going to check it out. First time we've ever been in this room, so we're going to be winging it. Sky class. Ooh, smart. This Surfside Family Suite comes with a split bath. On one side you got your toilet and sink combo. And on the other side, you got your shower and sink. Full-size shower. Surprise for a family room that there's no tub, but you do have a sit-down shelf right there. And coming around, you have your royal king, more like a queen. You got your TV on the wall. It does swing out in front of you. Your bed is facing out towards the balcony, which we'll get to in a second. Let's see, you got your full-length mirror lit up, very nice. And here is your closet. We got blue slippers. Slippers and robes, plenty of hangers. We got some shelves. They're not that deep and they look like they mostly have stuff in there. Yeah, they're not deep at all. I have heard that these rooms, the storage is not great. Right here there's your in-room safe, which is way back there. You got your Lavazza coffee maker. And you got your fridge cooler. There it is. Yep, not very cold in there. You got the waters are from the Crown and Anchor Society. Very nice of them to leave us the champagne. Got a bottle of Moscato. The Avion water comes with every suite. You got your backlit mirror, sit down makeup area. And here you have the kids area, basically. Little couch, it's got a TV. This does pull out. And adults say they can fit on it. I don't know, maybe diagonally. But definitely would recommend this room for 2 kids under 10 years old at the max. So nice of them to give us some Star merchandise on this showcase cruise. It's the last one before the first 7-day inaugural. And you got plugs, USBs on both sides of the bed. And let's check out the balcony. 2 chairs. You got your table, come out here for some coffee. These are nicely padded. And you can see that we can see out the back of the ship. So we'll take a look at that when we're out in the water. But you got your kid zone, you got the carousel, Surfside Eatery, and you can go all the way down to the promenade, Central Park. Playmakers is behind there. So this room is nicely located. Like you said, family suite. Sorry. So that was our tour of Surfside Family Suite, cabin 10305. And this right now is Sky Class. And with that, you get your priority boarding. You get access to Coastal Kitchen, the Suite Lounge, the Grove, which is basically the Suite Sun Deck. And you get also priority debarkation. So this is Chris with Prescribed Adventures, your perfect dose of exploration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.